Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I'm going to show you GIMP free application and open any browser and open type here GIMP download. You can see here the official website for GIMP downloads. So you can click anywhere, just click here download. You can go back and you can click here also. You can see GIMP. This is the best application. You can click here download. So it is redirecting to the direct page. Click download here. You can see here for the Windows, and also it is for 64-bit. There is different links. You can click any link, but we will choose this one, first one. Click OK. It is redirecting to download. Now it is started downloading, and this is the best application. It is providing GIMP free application, 100% free, and also it is usable for photo editing and retouching, create YouTube thumbnails, design logos and banners, remove image backgrounds as well, crop, resize and rotate images, and many other things, adding text with different fonts and effects, work with simple multiple layers, and also drawing and painting tools, color correction and enhancement, blur, sharpness, and many other things. And also it will support plugins and extensions. So this is the best application. So we can open here. Now we will right click and run as administrator. Install for all users. Click OK. GIMP application, and also you can customize or install directly. Install. It is installing. It is common use for photos editing, brightness and contrast adjustment, remove unwanted objects, skin retouching, color correction, and also graphic design, for example YouTube thumbnails, Facebook banners, Instagram posts, business cards, posters, flyers, and many other things. So it is required minimum Intel Core 3 or more than that, and also it will be compatible for Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac OS, Linux. At least it's required 4 GB RAM. If you have more than the 4 GB RAM, it is very good to use this application without lagging. So it is installing, and also this is the best advantage is what it is completely free, open source, no subscription required from the officially GIMP setup. So it is officially providing free software for us to use this one. So click finish. So it will open now the GIMP application to edit the photos and all other things. You can see it is just loading. It is taking little bit time to open. So let's give a time to open this one and wait for few minutes. Okay, now it is opened, and you can see there is welcome band came. As of now, close this one, and you can see here this is the application, and from here you can edit, and you can see it seems like same like other tools that you are using maybe, and it is similar to the other brands which one we are paying. And also it is very good to see here with the many options available to edit the photos. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.